Hello dear student, once again welcome in this class. Today we are going to discuss about another topic, most important topic. In this topic we will prepare copper sulphate. It is commonly known as blue vitriol. The formula of copper sulphate is CuSO4 5H2O. Copper sulphate pentahydrated is the name of this salt. Okay, it is in crystalline form and water molecule attached with copper sulphate as a crystalline form. Okay, now the method is here double decomposition method. How will you prepare? By double decomposition method. So dear student, here written that it is obtained by the action of cupric oxide or cupric hydroxide or copper carbonate with dilute H2SO4. You can prepare with the action of dilute H2SO4 on cupric oxide or cupric hydroxide or cupric carbonate. Okay, commonly known as copper carbonate. So reaction is here when copper hydroxide, you can say that cupric hydroxide treated with dilute H2SO4 to form copper sulphate in the first reaction with the elimination of water molecule. In the next reaction you can see here when cupric oxide again treated with, if you don't have cupric hydroxide, you can treat cupric oxide with H2SO4 to form once again copper sulphate plus water molecule. Okay, and third one is when copper carbonate treated with H2SO4, once again it forms copper sulphate water with the evolution of carbon dioxide gas. Okay, in other words, when we prepare copper sulphate, it is crystallized, and here copper sulphate prepared is treated with water to form copper sulphate in the crystalline form known as blue vitriol or copper sulphate pentahydrated. The procedure, what is the procedure to form copper sulphate? Here we have 5 procedure. First, take dilute sulfuric acid in a beaker and warm it on a wire gauze. Okay. The second one is add black cupric oxide or copper carbonate in small quantities at a time with styrene. That means we have a glass rod, and with the glass rod we will have to stirring continuously till no more of it dissolve and the excess of oxide settle down. Okay dear student. Third one is filter it while hot and collect the filtrate in a china dish. Concentrate the solution by evaporations to crystallization point and then allow it to cool. That means after concentration by evaporation, it will have to be kept to cool. Okay, and fourth one is on cooling, bright blue crystal of copper second sulphate pentahydrated known as blue vitriol is opted. Okay, and next is dry these crystal using filter paper. Then if, dear student, zinc sulphate, lead nitrate, calcium nitrate and magnesium sulphate etc. can also be prepared by this method. From those method you are preparing here copper sulphate, you can also prepare zinc sulphate, lead nitrate, calcium nitrate and magnesium sulphate with treating different oxide, different carbonate with H2SO4, or some cases in case of lead oxide when treated with nitric acid it form lead nitrate and H2. Okay dear student. So in next video we will discuss about the preparation of zinc sulphate. Okay, so thank you, all the way.